guys, and welcome to this channel. This is Masinjeri. In case you're wondering, this is a channel where we do real estate and we also do vlogs around Nakuru city. So in today's video, we are in a place called Cyprus Park. So to begin with, Cyprus Park, it's a place with funfair activities, but it did not begin like that. It belonged to the National Cereal Board during the President Moise era. So afterwards, after the Moise era, the place became dormant. So before, maize was stored here in these bins here, as you can see. So maize was stored here, and then when there were emergencies like droughts, maize would be given out to those people who are suffering from food. So afterwards, after the Moise era, this place became very dormant for so many years and nothing was going on here. There was no activity which was going on here. So just like that, some people came together with this idea where they idealized about coming up with these funfair activities, which is now called Cyprus Park. So in Cyprus Park, it's a garden with a lot of space that you can come here, hold a wedding, a birthday party, and any other event that you would be having. So like last year, we had an event where we had Nakuru Family Fun Day, where we had celebrities come here like Moji Shot Baba was here and many other celebrities who have been here. So in Cyprus Park, we have both indoor and outdoor activities. So on the outdoor activities, we have swimming, we have swings, we have merry-go-round, we have a bouncing castle, we have darts, we have a zip lining, and we have a train. We have a table tennis and a space to play football, and we have badminton. So those are the outdoor activities, and coming soon we will have sauna. So on the indoor games, we have pool tables. For those who love pool tables, we have a pool table. We have VR, that is virtual reality, and we have table tennis. I forgot about that, to mention about that earlier. So we also have massage seats. Sorry, I forgot also to mention about that. So we have massage seats, we have table tennis, we have pool tables, and we have VR. So all those activities are indoor activities here at Cyprus Park. So, and also they offer photography and videography. So in case you want to do your music here as a video, they offer that service. And photos, you can come here, take family photos with your kids as they enjoy these activities here. So the kids will really enjoy, and it will be easier for you to take the photos for the memories. And their prices, guys, are very affordable. You can't even imagine. Imagine with only 2,000, you come here and imagine you will enjoy every game here and even some photos, and you go home with like very satisfied. So in addition, guys, they have a restaurant. You know what? They offer every kind of food that you will imagine here, whether it's Chinese food, whether it's Indian food, whether it's Kenyan food, including mokimo, githeri, whatever you want. You just have to place your order and they deliver to you. Actually, guys, it's not my first time here, and it's not even the second. And the only reason I've been coming back here is their services. Like their hospitality here is on another level. And this video is not even sponsored. They're not paying me to say this. I'm only saying this because I have witnessed, and I hook you guys to the truth. So if you visit this place, you will not regret. Before, guys, I forget, if you want them to do for you any decor, including a wedding, a picnic, or a birthday party, they'll do all that for you. And also, guys, you know that I'm the queen of plugs. So if you're in Nakuru and you want to know how to survive, from finding a place to stay, that is a house, from finding a plot where to buy a plot, from finding a place to visit here in Nakuru, lazima unijue and you survive. So manze, please subscribe if you want to know how to survive in Nakuru, because you cannot do without me, So let me take you around, guys, around Cyprus Park, so that I can show you the games that I'm telling you about, and then you can see them for yourselves.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Guys, I hope you've seen every activities here in Cyprus Park and you have enjoyed every snippet of it. So you know that I'm the queen of plugs. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because you're missing it, guys. Please subscribe, like, leave me a like. You know what? When you like my video, it helps it to be spread to a lot of people so that many people can get to know more about Nakuru, you know, because my main content is around Nakuru. So please subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to like and also leave me a comment. Leave me a sweet comment and tell me what you think about Cyprus Park, whether you are visiting here soon or you're visiting during the holidays. So let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.